Guys, it's Caleb, and look what I got. Uh-oh, another big boy purchase. So, I'm going to tell you a little story about how I got this bag. I was scrolling on the Coach outlet store, and I literally saw this bag last night, 2 nights ago. I went to bed, I woke up, sold out. I was like, oh great, well, not getting that bag. Called my local outlet store, and guess what? They had one left. One. This is just like my Western Tabby story, except it's a different bag. This is a bag that I never really saw myself owning, but here we are, and I am so ready for this bag. I'm so ready for this bag. Okay, I also got some other things, but we will start with the bag. Okay, let's go. This bag, I feel like they kept saying it was like the new collection, and I was like, girl, I don't know what it is, but give it to me. I was like, here's my card. This is the Rowan, they call it the color block. The color block, y'all. It is absolutely beautiful. It is gorgeous. It does have gold detailing. It does have like this white, I think they called it chalk, with the Coach symbols in it. And it does have that leather, that kind of like caramely leather. I just love it so much. Super cute. Oh my gosh. I saw it in the store or online and I was just like, oh my gosh. And then when I saw it in the store, I was like, I could wear this right now. Literally. Super cute. Okay, and the inside, let's get into the inside, y'all. The inside is obviously going to be canvas. Obviously going to be canvas on the inside. You are going to have a little pocket on this side. And then obviously on this side, you're going to have your little pocket. Your Polly pocket. So 2 pockets in there. And then, hold please, I'm going to assemble the strap and then we'll do a little fashion show. You guys, look at how cute this bag is. I feel like it is the perfect little size. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I love that it's like neutrals. Like everything is really a neutral. The navy's a neutral, the like beiges is a neutral, and so is the cream. But that green, man, when you put that green up against it, oh my gosh. And I have a black strap that I think I might put with it. We'll see. I really like this strap. It looks very like chic. But anyway, okay, moving on to the other things because I got a lot more things, and we're gonna add something to this bag after I show you the things. Okay, y'all, we all know that the accessories have been through the roof. Everyone is buying accessories for their little bags and everything like that, you know, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, everyone knows that most of the charms at Coach are $95. That's just it. It don't matter if it's a little charm. It don't matter if it's a charm. It does not matter. You guys, listen to me. They are selling the bulky chains in every color. Yes, I bought every color. I'm a crazy person like that. In every color. You guys, these were $39 each. $39 each. All 3 of these together were the price of one of these on normal sale. That's why I was like, I'm not going to spend $100 on one of these. I'm just not going to do it. But when I walked in and I saw they were all $39, I about fell out. There were literally people just hovering around it. I don't know if the sale had just started, but you might check online because even the thinner charms were also discounted. All of them were $39. Let it sink in, because we all know that we want our little charms, our little chains with our little Furbies, our little babies, our little boobies. Okay. I'm going to show you guys them first because I'm crazy. Just super cute. And they have the little... Oh my gosh. So adorable. Let's take it off of here. Here are all 3 of the Coach charms. They are very long. Very good quality. And obviously I'll have the Coach taglets on them. Very, very beautiful. I am very happy that I got them for $39 each. All right, I'm gonna style my little bag that I just showed you guys, and we'll do a little runway. All right, be right back. Oh, it's styled down, mama. I got the little cherries, little Coach cherries. Thank you so much, Brooke, for sending those to me. Super cute on the green. I love that with the blue. I love that. You can almost do that just alone. But I did add just a little black kitty. Oh, cute with the blue. I just thought that would be kind of cute with the blue and the accents. But I am in love with this bag. I love how versatile it is, how tiny, but how still kind of big it is. And honestly, it has that pebbled leather on it. So you're going to be able to endure some scuffs and things on it. And it's just so, in my opinion, it is very like neutral. Anyone could carry this. Girl, boy, they, them, whatever you want, baby, you could carry this bag. Period. Well, I just hope you guys enjoyed this little bag review. I'm so happy I got the very last one at my outlet store. If you do have an outlet store near you and you are looking to get this bag, call them now because they're probably down to the last couple ones. I'm sure. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, Caleb loves you. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. Runway. Bring it to the runway.